Welcome back to Croissant Wrench. We definitely have a treat for you all today. For those of you that are used to the channel, you'll know that this is a bit bigger than what I usually work on. And this is a 1940 Farmall A. I just traded a payloader I used to have for it, which I'll stick a photo in right about there. And today we'll be giving this old girl a good heavy once over. And other than that, yeah, that'll be the whole video. So stick around and we'll fix up this old Farmall and maybe put her to some work today. So things I've done already. I've greased every fitting that I can see on the machine. Made the steering way nicer. Walked around and hit everything else that moves with white lithium grease. Found that the air filter oil cup was completely empty. Went ahead and filled that up. And I have checked the oil in the gearboxes, as well as the engine oil and engine coolant. The engine oil and coolant were very clean, but the gear oil leaves a little bit to be desired. So we're going to go through, change the oil in the final drives, the PTO, and the transmission today. And I think that's all the other maintenance I really need to do, because last night I got the parking brake freed up, lubricated all the lift linkages. Now there are no hydraulics on this. This is an A, not a Super A. So everything you see is operated by the strength of your body. And this grater blade is no different. And it's hilarious working this because if you want to drop the blade, you got to stand up and drop it from up there. But what we're going to do first is go ahead, get this old girl started up, spin her around and bring her back in here. That way I can have better filming angles and more ease of working on it. So we'll do that for you real quick. Alright, so you see that little plug right back there somewhere? I'm gonna find it. That one, yeah, right there. That's your drain plug for your transmission. There we go. It's a nice color, isn't it? So that's still draining. Pretty sure it had more than 5 quarts in it. So while it's draining, I'm going to go ahead and pull the level plug out of this transmission. When you refill these, you basically just fill it until this little bolt that's hidden back here has oil running out of it. Alright, here's your level plug. There's just an itty bitty hole hidden right down here where my pinky is. You can kind of see it. Now I did find a drain plug on the PTO. It's right under here. And unfortunately, I cannot get that booger out for nothing. It just does not want to let go, and I think all it drains is this little box back here for the belt pulley. And the oil in there doesn't look terrible. It looks a little better than what was in the transmission, but I think we're just going to have to leave it because that is just absolutely stuck, and I don't have a suction pump today, but we will get to it another day. We will change it. Well, our PTO and all did finally drain out, and our next step would just be refilling it, I guess. I'm going to slide our drain pan up, hopefully somewhere under that level plug. If not, it's okay. And we'll just start going for it until we get fluid coming out of there. Now I'm going to be up here working on this bucket pump, so y'all yell at me when you start seeing it, okay? You all see what I see? I think that's all coming out. Beautiful. Now we'll just top up the PTO, which is right behind it. Alright, here we are once again underneath the tractor. And your first step is going to be pulling out your fill plug for your bottle valve. Well, here comes the goo. Here we go. Beautiful. There we go. Here comes the shmoo. All over my drop light. That was smart. See, about 80% of that's actually going in the drain pan. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, this one's got a lot of sludge in the bottom of it. Wow. Got the big boy screwdriver. Look at that. Whoa. And it's like rubber. done. Oh, is that it? I think that's it. Sweet. Here we go. That's it for that side. We're done. Yep. That's gonna be a lot of shop dry. Well, here's the work that's been laid out for us. We need to grade this field down a little bit, fairly smooth, so we can plant clover on it. Now, I have never ran this machine, so today I guess we're going to find out how this goes. test run for the old girl. She did good grade work, and I'm thinking that's what this lathe was originally designed for. Really enjoyable machine to run. I must say I love it to death already. And I'm sure it would have a lot of use around here, smoothing out fields like that in the fall and the spring, making it easier for tillers to get through, as well as moving a little bit of snow around this winter and grading the driveway as the rain and snow erodes it away. Really happy with the machine, and glad I did the maintenance. The gearbox is definitely quieter, and soon we'll be changing the oil and a few other things. What a sharp looking old girl. I'm proud of her. Shout out to the previous owner, you're an awesome guy. Thank you for trading me this thing for the payloader. I'm already having way more fun.